Hello students, welcome once again in Intelligence classes. Here student we discuss about exercise 1.4 of real numbers class 10th mathematics. So before going to exercise 1.4 we have to clear some basic fact, just like as we study about terminating decimal expansion and non-terminating decimal expansion. So first we see terminating decimal expansion. You know students, this is the form of rational number a over b, and here you see as a denominators the form should be 2 की power m, 5 की power n and 2 की power m multiplied 5 की power n. So this is the condition for terminating decimal expansion in denominators. And second we talk about non-terminating repeating expansion. So here you see students a over b, it means to say here denominators v should not in the form of 2 की power m and 5 की power n and 2 की power m and 5 की power n. All three conditions we see in non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. This form we cannot see, and here in terminating decimal expansion we have to see in denominator 2 की power m oblique 5 की power n oblique 2 की power m multiplication 5 की power n. So these two things we have to notice, and one thing you have also noticed about the terminating decimal. Let me see the example of terminating decimal. It means to say just like as you 4 over 5. Here this is the rational in form. So you see decimal and 8 times 5 8 the 40, and the numbers after the decimal has ended here. So this is called terminating. And if you see 10 over 3, so here you see 3 points 3 3 and 3, and that's so here you see the decimal expansion does not terminate here. So this is called the example of non-terminating repeating expansion. So second example is here, and first example of terminating decimal expansion. So here students, in exercise 1.4, this is the first question. Here we have to discuss without actually performing along division, state whether the following rational number will have terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So we have to notify here without long division. So one thing we have to notify. So first question is that here 13 over 3125. So here first we have to notify that the denominator of any rational numbers, this is 3125, we have to write in the form of 2 की power m or 5 की power n, otherwise 2 की power n multiplication 5 की power n. So let me take, this is the 3125 Let's see factors. 5 6 time, 2 time and 5 time. 5 1 time, 2 time and 5 time. 5 2 time and 5 time. 5 5 time and 5 1 time. Here you see the factor of 3 1 2 5, that is 5 multiplication 5 multiplication 5 multiplication 5 multiplication 5. It means to say 13 over 5 की power 5. So here you see students, this is the condition as a denominator 5 की power 5. So we have to find here 5 की power n. It means to say this types of expansion we have to find here. So this is called terminating decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. Okay students, and now we talk about same time every question we have talked. If we find this type of formation, we can say this is terminating decimal expansion. And now we talk part 5. So part 5 we have to talk here. So students, part 5, that is 29 over 343. So here we see 29 over this 343. So we have to factors here 7, 4 times 28 and 9 times 63, 7, 7, 7 and 1. So here you see 343, the factor is 7, 7 and 7. So here 29 over 7 की power 3. And here you see students 7 की power 3 is not find here, because here is 2 की power m, otherwise 5 की power n, otherwise 2 की power m multiplied 5 की power n. So this is called non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So students, you can write this types equations and this types of sums you can solve itself. Now we talk about the question number 2. The question number 2, here you see, write down the decimal exponents of the rational number in question 1 above which have terminating decimal expansion. So here in question number 2, we have to see, only we have to write terminating decimal expansion. So here we see 13 over 3125. This is terminating decimal expansion. So we have to write only this, and same time 17 over 8 we have to find out 17 over 8. It means to say 17 over 2 की power 3, 2 की power 3. It means to say we have to find here 2 की power n. It means to say this is also terminating decimal expansion. If you cannot find terminating decimal expansion, so you cannot write this. Only we have to find terminating decimal expansion. So students, question number first and question number second you can do same this manners. And now we talk about question number 3 students. So question number 3 we talk about here. So here students you see question number 3. Question number 3 is the following real number have decimal extension as given below. In each decide whether they are rational or not. First we have to decide they are rational or not. If they are rational and of the P of Q form, what can you say about the prime factor of Q? So we have to take the question number third, first part, 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the first part, and second part you can see 0.120 1200 and 12000 and 120000. That does. And the third part 4 3 dash 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is bar. So here student we see here that is the first part we take 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here we have to find out the rational x numbers and in the form of terminating decimals. So we see 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 over 1, and after that we count the digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It means to say we have to write here 90. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we can write here 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 over 10 की power 9, and after that 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 over, we can write this 2 की power 2 multiply 5 9 as we can write 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 over 2 की power 9 multiplied 5 की power 9. It means to say students we have find out the terminating decimal form. So this is the first rational. So this is, we can write this is rational, and second we can take here. You see the form is already non-terminating decimals expansion. So here in second form is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So this is the second part. Now we talk about the third part, students. So third part you see this is the form 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is again repeating. So this is also cannot be write in the form in terminating decimal. So we cannot write CS again. So that is the end of the exercise 1.4, students. If you feel any kinds of problems, so you can ask me on my personal WhatsApp numbers, that is 9897479788. Till then, goodbye.